hair, babe. Look at my hair.
It's beautiful.
Look, look.
It's beautiful.
No, there are small
Little hairs
hair
coming
that
in,
are coming
brand
out
new baby hair.
because of the thing that I sprayed.
Right. Yeah, you're
Okay?
spraying some hair in.
Look,
I see. It's
there
everywhere.
are small
It's
hair
as
that
long
are
as my
coming
hair.
out.
Look at like
It,
my
it's
hair.
it's it's black. It's not white anymore. Look. Oh my God, that solution is working, right?
If you say.
It is. And you know my
You
head
want
is
me to stay up all night and count your hair today, and then count it again tomorrow and see?
no, my head is my scalp is not shiny anymore because before it was shiny, it's getting bald, but now look, there's a lot of small hair coming out. Look, babe.
Mm-hmm.
Hey, I'm growing my hair already. Look, I'm so happy.